Press escape to go to the parameter. First we are making factory default A0-04. Press enter, make it 1 for factory default. Press enter, again press escape. So this is we can vary the speed frequency through the inbuilt potentiometer. If I press run command, so it is running. If I press stop command, it will stop. So this can be operated through the keypad control also. If I want to operate through the terminal control, then press escape, again escape, go to B1, press enter, again press enter. 0 means keypad control, 1 means terminal control. Press enter, again enter, press escape. So if you make a short between 24 volt and rewind,